Want to give some details about what my subscription page is all about. I don't think I've gotten on here and given an informative post regarding what's going on over there since I started the page over 2 years ago. I think it was 2 years ago. So what you guys have access to over there are deeper dives into the concepts and principles I generally speak about on this general page. But as it relates to my life, my symptoms of healing, my injuries that I'm currently going through or past gone through or whatever, and then the occasional clinical sharing experience that is appropriate and cleared to do so. Also, detailed recipes on the things that I eat and drink specifically, regularly. Also, fly on the wall snippets of training inputs that I'll pick during my days. Not a how to do this move like this, do this move this number of times for this specific area of the body, for this condition, for this symptom response. Rather, this is what it looked like when I trained today, here it is. Or partial of it, but it'll just be a random selection of videos of my training for that day. And then the odds and ends story here or there of something that I might find was either funny or important or a teachable moment on my travels or within a client experience or a personal experience. So that's what's going on over there. Great for people who are on the fence on starting with me, trying to get a feel, on a deeper feel of what is it exactly that I do? I'm not really sure. Is it injuries? Is it training? I might need all of it. Is it healing responses? Is it a total overhaul of my entirety of my life? Is it a performance deal? Is it prepping pre-surgery, post-surgery, or is it getting ready to do work with another doctor? And if it is another doctor, it'd be one that I recommend. So that's why that page is great and worth the investment for those people. It's also great for people who have already worked with me, gone full tilt, gotten your document, hopefully recently versus past, because I'm constantly changing and upgrading and enhancing it, trying to poke holes in all the truths that we all have to abide by and applying them with my poetic nature into my life. So, and then repeatedly having it work, want to share that, update that, and then add more to the original documents that I do with full evaluations. So anybody that's worked with me, just a continuation, and now you are clear on what you can see where your starting point is and what exactly I'm talking about on a deeper level as it relates to you. So great for those people, great for anybody. But what it's going to be is just a moving time frame of 31 days of information. And then as the 30 days move on, the material deletes from behind. So it'll be a consistent 1 month of material cycling through that I'm just updating on exactly what I said. Personal, deeper dive, heartfelt healing response stories of my symptoms, stories of my healing, stories of my injuries, realizations, training, recipes, and then the odds and ends here or there that I might find of value that you guys might enjoy. So that's what's going on over there for those of you on the fence, or even if you didn't know. Now, how do you subscribe? I don't really know. I know this is shitty, I should know, but like somewhere on my page there's either subscribe or there's like a little crown. The crown, purple crown, or the crown that you get is only subscriber material. And so there will be a month of material over there that'll keep updating and keep being exposed and keep sharing. So it's just a deeper dive off the general principles and concepts that I'm sharing over here in volume. And then, so it progresses. You got free general hours of information that's just been here since the dawn of me starting this whole thing. You got my Zoom classes, the intensives, the workshops. You got my book, but you know my book's outdated and has been upgraded and enhanced. So for you to utilize those principles, I did 2 Zooms to upgrade that, went page by page to change everything and update everything as to what I'm using now, including the training, including the nourishment, including the programs, everything. You got my YouTube channel, which is just an extension of the Instagram. Then if you want to go a step further, you've got the subscription page. Then if you really want to blow the fucking roof off of it and just get rid of all the vagueness that everybody complains about and go deep into your specific scenario, that's when we schedule a one-on-one. Full eval is the guards are down, everything's off. We go ham and we don't come up for air till we're done. The information sessions are a little touchier because you can't get into everything, especially with 30, 60, or 90 minute. There's just no way in comparison to what the full eval offers. So, yeah, so that's it. So that's what's going on over there on the subscription page. Looking forward to seeing whoever is over there. Grateful for whoever's over there now, and keep digging, keep challenging. Prove me wrong. You'll see that the stuff I support can't, because I didn't invent it. If I invented it, it'd fall apart. If man invented any of this shit, it would all fall apart and be able to be exposed very easily. So I like supporting the things that always work, and the things that can take a beating and still come through with, here I am, truth. So there it is.